students, welcome to Academic Heights. Learn from home. Why Academic Heights? For clarity, for concepts, for core, for competency. Overall, your turning point starts here. I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn? Discussing question number 4 in figure 6.36. QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So whatever he has given in the QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. He has given in the data. So after writing given statement, this is given statement, the ratio as given and the angles are equal, and what we have to require to prove, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR triangle. This is we have to require to prove. Here in the question we have to observe very important point. This is plays a very important role here. So what we have, triangle TQR triangle. Look at this TQR triangle as well as PQS triangle. In these two triangles, angle Q is common. So angle Q is common for both the triangles. So that I can first observation what I will write it as angle Q is common angle. Angle Q is common angle for both the triangles. For both the triangles. Which triangle that is? So TQR triangle as well as triangle PQS triangle. Both the triangles, this is what we have identified. Q is a common angle. So what I can write, angle TQR is same as angle PQS. So this is very important observation what we have deduced, and this is plays a very important role. Next we'll move to the next step. So step 1. So I will consider triangle PQR triangle. So look at from the figure 6.36. PQR, identify where is PQR triangle. In this he has given that at angle Q, this is angle 1. At angle R, he has given clearly angle 2. So in triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. He has given in the data angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. So when angle 1 and angle 2 are equal in one of the triangle, so clearly PQR is an isosceles triangle. So what is the property of isosceles triangle? Not only two angles are equal, two sides also equal. So which two sides are equal? Angle 1 opposite side, that is PR. Angle 2 opposite side, that is PQ. These two sides are equal. Same thing I am writing here. It is PR. PR is equal to PQ. So this is very important point what we have deduced in the first step. In a triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 he has given, so that PQR is a isosceles triangle. This triangle is isosceles triangle. So automatically two sides are equal. PR side is equal to PQ side. So we'll move to the second step. So whatever given, he has given QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. So this is given already. This is given ratio in the data. In this, QR by QS is equal to QT by instead of PR, what I got it here. So if I go back, so PR value is how much here? From the equation number 1, PR is equal to PQ, I got it. PR is equal to PQ. So instead of PR, what I am writing, it is PQ I am writing. This is PQ. If not QP also we can write it. Both are same. PQ, QP both are same. So I wrote it this one. This is very, very important step. And the ratio has changed to QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, to QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. So this is very, very important step. Next, come to the last step. So if I combine the important observation here, clearly Q is a common angle for both the triangles. For both the triangles, common angle. So what I have identified, angle TQR is equal to angle PQS. So this is a common angle. This is a common angle. And what I got the ratio just now in the step 2, I got the ratio QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. I got it. So this is the ratio I got it. If I combine this one, so one common angle is equal and the ratios are, the sides are proportional. QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. The sides are in proportion and one common angle is equal. So it is clearly sides are proportional and one is common angle, that is already identified, that is Q. So clearly here it is by SAS criteria. These two triangles, which two triangles? Triangle TQR, this is the bigger triangle, is similar to triangle PQS triangle. These two triangles are similar. So based on which criteria? That is SAS criteria. So if I go back to the sum, so here we started. He has given statement QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We have to require to prove triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So what is important observation here? Angle Q is a common angle. This is very, very important observation. In step 1, we proved that PR side is equal to PQ side. So in PQR triangle, PR is equal to PQ. So this PR side, whatever this PR side, instead of PR, what we are writing in the next step, that is PQ we are writing. If not QP we are writing. So second step, the ratio is changed to QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. After that, come to the third step. It is one angle is equal and corresponding sides are proportional. So by clearly SAS criteria, these two triangles are similar. And the order is very, very important here. Just look at the order also, whether it is matching or not. So what is the order? QR by QS. See here, QR by QS is same as QT by QP. So the order is also matching. These two triangles are similar. So that's all about this sum.